I mean, all of us here, I don't know what is the Puneri equivalent of Fashion Street. I'm sure there must be. What is it? क्या है? यहाँ भी Fashion Street है. Very good. We have 25 plus people in this room. None of us are wearing Fashion Street clothes. Why? Not that I don't buy Fashion Street clothes. Of course I buy them. I buy them before I'll buy them on 22nd. Actually, I'll buy them on 20th or 21st of March. Specific reason. क्यों? नहीं 23rd को होली है. होली के दिन वैनी हुसैन का शर्ट पहन के नहीं नीचे उतरूंगा. चकाचक फर्स्ट क्लास नया व्हाइट शर्ट पहन के नीचे उतरूंगा. 80 रुपए वाला. Why are we not? Because price is not the determinant. Service is the determinant. Quality is the determinant. Reputation is the determinant. If these were not determinants, then the concept of entirely, the whole concept of multiple price ranges for a certain product would not exist. Coffee तो coffee है ना? टपरी पे भी कॉफी है और ताज में भी कॉफी है. देते हैं ना लोग पैसा ताज में जाकर. चल कॉफी पीने जाते हैं. बीवी को लेके गए ताज में जाके कॉफी. अरे घर पे भी बनती है ना कॉफी. नेस्कैफे गोल्ड का वो ढक्कन खोल के खट 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 बनती है वहां भी. क्यों नहीं पिलाया वहां? There's something that is special, right? That's what you guys are. That's what you guys bring into the table. So for giving it for the same price, fine. Giving it free, fine. Free or for the price is not the determinant. Your attitude, your intent, and his need. These three are the determinants. What is also important, if you understand what we're coming out here, is that customer service is an investment. You will have to make a time and money investment to up the customer satisfaction level from where it is today. It will not happen automatically. वो करना पड़ेगा आपको, नहीं तो वो अब नहीं होगा. आपने हर एक ने अपना अपना आइडिया दिया. हर एक आइडिया के अंदर में कुछ ना कुछ कॉस्ट है. छोटा हो बड़ा हो, there is a cost involved. And the cost involved is not necessarily again always money. It is a combination of perhaps time and money. Sometimes it is only time. Right? So what Samarth was saying, मैंने जाकर 10 मिनट स्पेंड किया, 15 मिनट स्पेंड किया, टाइम इन्वेस्ट किया, पैसा नहीं लगाया, टाइम तो इन्वेस्ट किया. और बिजनेसमैन के लिए तो रोटी इंपॉर्टेंट है ROI से. 15 मिनट का टाइम का इन्वेस्टमेंट का वैल्यू निकाल लो, उतना तुम्हारा इन्वेस्टमेंट था. So this is about what we call the moment of truth. We can actually create a moment of truth, and when we sit down and prepare a plan of action, you've already done it. You already have a plan of action and saying, I'm going out from here and I'm going to do these specific things with this specific customer.
So convenient. It's how it goes in those annoying phone call message centers.
Here at Visa, personalized service is key.
Great. Okay, listen, my credit card was just...
Please listen to the... Or maybe I'd recently changed.
What?
If you would like to set up a new account, say yes now.
No, my card was stolen.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. If you would like to increase the credit limit, please say yes now.
No, I just want to tell you what happened.
If you would like to report a stolen card, say yes now.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I could not understand your response. If you would like to report a stolen card, please press 1.
Where?
Beep, beep. You have pressed an incorrect key. Sorry you're having trouble. Goodbye.
Look, can't we just talk?
Hello, welcome to Visa's personalized customer service kiosk. After the tone, please say your
My
name.
name is Margaret. Margaret Francis!
Your account balance is $452.
I don't need my balance.
Your account balance is $2,040.
What? Oh God, somebody's racking up charges on my card. Stop this! limit.
You have now exceeded your credit limit. To increase your credit limit, please press 1.
No, God!
Thank you. Your credit limit has now been increased to $25,000.
Yes! My God!
Please note, this personalized interaction may be monitored for quality assurance. Visa has a variety of new services. For an environmentally friendly Visa card, please press 1. For information on our Burger King's reward program, please press 2. To make a charitable donation to Visa's president and CEO, please press 3.
There are no buttons. Where am I supposed to push?
Beep, boop, boop, beep, beep, beep. Oh, you have made a bad touch. I am now transferring you to customer service.
Thank God! Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tony from customer service. How can I help you today?
Can I actually talk to you?
Of course, you can talk to me, ma'am. I'm all ears. And a bit of a gut. I'm just sitting here drinking a milkshake. My milkshake's better than yours. Brings all the boys to the yard.
Wow, that's really 2003.
They wanted us to say it. It's trying to get kids to sign up for the card. What can I do for you today?
Okay, look, my credit card was stolen.
I just have to put you on hold for a sec.
No!
Thank you for calling Visa's personalized customer service. Your call is important. Your estimated wait time is
30.
minutes. Please stay in the line to maintain your call priority.
There is no one else here!
Your current balance is $24,999.
Can't you just look at me? Look at me! What are you all, an iRobot? Look at me!
While this is what the funny notes, believe me, when your customer is in a state where he has a specific need and you are unable to handle it, that's what it is. We've all been in that case. We've all been in that case. So how do we handle our customer?
Do we create what is called moments of truth, or do we create moments of misery? Is all up to us. Is all up to us, right? I've forgotten his name. Madan, T.S. Madan. He's a life coach, he calls himself. Good speaker, सरदार जी है, and a lot of YouTube channel है उसका खुद का, कस्टमर सर्विस के ऊपर ही ज़्यादातर बात करते हैं, मोटिवेशनल बात भी करते हैं कभी-कभी, but mainly on customer service. I think you can YouTube him and you will get a lot of interesting material, and he always starts his point with saying, whatever state you are in, you are responsible for it. First and foremost, accept that, and only then can we progress. All his YouTube videos start from that point. So it's a very important learning for us, that it is up to us to say, can we create a moment of truth? Can we create a moment of misery? Right? I'm going to go ahead a little bit and talk about different types of customer behavior. Right? Now what happens is when there is a complaint, I'm now getting into not saying only customer service, but saying specific customer complaint को मैं कैसे handle कर रहा हूँ. और कस्टमर कंप्लेंट तो हैंडल कैसा करना है हम समझ गए, प्रोएक्टिव करना है, उसके नीड को समझना है, ये तो सब मेरे ऊपर था. मगर मेरे ये सब करने के बावजूद कस्टमर की बिहेवियर के ऊपर मेरा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है. तो कस्टमर तो कुछ भी बोलेगा, कस्टमर तो कुछ भी करेगा. हाउ डू आई हैंडल दैट बिहेवियर इफ ही इज एंग्री, इफ ही इज पैसिव, कंप्लेन करके फिर हूं चल रहा है. right? So I'm going to quickly run through that and show you also a different video, and then perhaps we will look at what happened. How many of you know Mr. Murphy? Mr. Murphy को जानते हैं? Yes, Murphy's law क्या बोलता है? So what it says is the worst thing possible. Yes, whatever can go wrong will go wrong at the worst possible moment. So here are we. Now what? I'm sorry, I'm actually not working with my laptops. That's why all this is the problem, because my laptop seems to have crashed and I have to borrow a laptop from the Pune office. If you look at customer service, there are 5 core elements that we need to look at. First and foremost, do I know my customers? Do I follow basic customer relationships? How much do I communicate with them? How much do I communicate? Because there is nothing called too much communication. Largely, most of my communication happens over telephone. How do I handle telephone techniques? Have I trained my people to do that? And finally, there will be difficult situations. How do I handle them? So I'm going to quickly run through these 5 areas. First and foremost, when we look at good customer relationship, know your customer, we have already talked about that, so I'm not getting into that area. Right? You must know your customer, you must know what are his family members, what are his needs, what is his person, what is he as a person, and so on and so forth. When we talk of good customer relationships, I use this acronym called LEARN. Do I listen? Do I empathize? What is empathize? What is empathy? What is empathize? To feel the same. Very good point, right? And what is sympathy? And what is sympathy? No. What is sympathy? Absolutely. So that's not sympathy, that's empathy. Sympathy is to allow somebody to have a shoulder to cry on and say, kitna dukh hai. When somebody's family person dies, we send out a sympathy letter because we can never feel their pain. We never send out an empathy letter. एम्पैथी का हिंदी सहानुभूति बोलते हैं. To experience what he is experiencing and respond to that like that, in that manner. I'll give you an example of sympathy and empathy. I was in the 5th floor of my Calcutta office. I was in Kotak, 5th floor पे थे. पुराना बिल्डिंग था, तो 5th floor यानी 7th floor. और हमारे एक peculiar liftman था, वो 1 बजे फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जाकर लिफ्ट को ताला मार देता था 2 बजे तक. 1 से 2 लिफ्ट नहीं चलेगा. राइट? सम ओल्ड बिल्डिंग्स हैव दिस रूल. एक ही लिफ्टमैन है, वो लिफ्टमैन से ही लिफ्ट चलेगी और वो 1 से 2 लंच पे जाएगा. अब ये एजेंट है, ही वाज अराउंड 65 years old. मई का महीना है, कैलकाटा इज अ वेरी ह्यूमिड सिटी, एंड ही केम इन टू द ऑफिस एट 1:30, व्हिच मींस ही वॉकड अप ऑल द 5 floors. एकदम पसीना से तरबतर था, हाफते हाफते लिटरली ऊपर आया. तो उसका जो सेल्स मैनेजर था, उसने इस मिस्टर रॉय का नाम था उनका, उनको बोला, मिस्टर रॉय, आई एम श्योर यू आर कर्सिंग द डे ऑन विच यू जॉइंड इंश्योरेंस, राइट? सिंपैथी. उसको कितना दुख हो रहा है मुझे समझ में आ रहा है. इफेक्ट क्या हुआ? मिस्टर रॉय ने आगे से आना बंद कर दिया, क्योंकि उसको भी यही लगने लगा कि यार ये तो दुख का जीवन है, मैं क्यों आऊं ऊपर, क्यों दुखी हूं? Seriously, one sentence killed that man as an agent. And I was just wondering, if I was in his place, what I would have done, and I'm not saying that I'm great or whatever, but मुझे तो एटलीस्ट इतना समझ में आता है कि ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, और मैं उसकी जगह पे होता, exactly, I would have got up, gone to the water filter, given him my chair, gone to the water filter, picked up a nice glass of cold water and came and given it to him. I am showing that I understand and feel what you are feeling. Empathy comes from action, not words. Then you need to act. Act. You need to take responsibility, and you need to do it now. That's learn. What is responsibility? What is responsibility? Okay, taking ownership. Mr. Chaudhary. Hold this. Drop it. You take your phone and drop that. Yeah, we've done this before. What was the difference? His hand went down. Why? He doesn't own this. And his hand goes down. And he owns this. So he throws it. I hate ownership. Because ownership allows me to do whatever I want. I love trusteeship. I am a trustee. And I have to therefore take care. I am trusted with this. People come to me and said, मेरे एम्प्लॉइज में ना सेंस ऑफ ओनरशिप नहीं है. ग्रेट पॉइंट टू स्टार्ट फ्रेंड. बिकॉज ओनरशिप होगी ना तो वो बोलेंगे मेरी दुकान है, मैं दुकान खुली रख के रात को 11 बजे चला जाऊंगा. मेरी दुकान है, ओनरशिप है मेरी. आई ओन इट. आपने बताया ना अपनी दुकान समझ, तो मैंने समझा अपनी दुकान, और मैंने 11 बजे उसको खोल के मैं घर चला गया. मेरी दुकान समझा मैं. कर लो अब कुछ, आपने बताया था. Exactly. So therefore trusteeship is far more important. Responsibility means to be responsible, to be able to respond to the situation. Not accountability, not ownership. They are different things. If you have the ability to respond to the situation, respond. And if not, escalate. Move it to the person who will who will respond to it. Now. This is a principle that all your people must understand and know. मेरे से नहीं होगा, समझना इमीडिएटली उसको जरूरी है, और इमीडिएटली उसको उसके पास शिफ्ट करना जो कर सकता है. Not our refund stream will get back to you in shortly. That is not responsibility, and that obviously is not now. So learn, remember, learn. And it's now that you can choose to do the fourth one, which is to say, I am ready to show empathy. Now that's where you start taking action. The presumption here is that you are interested in acting. You may choose to say, I am not interested. Forget it, let it go.